I'm Brian, and I work for Driven2Drive.
Hi, I'm Steve, one of the driving instructors at Driven2Drive.
Hey, good morning. My name is Myron Armmani Hawkins.
My name is Stanis. I am a driving instructor at Driven2Drive.
One tip that I give newer driver is always to be a defensive driver. Never get tunnel vision.
My tip would be slow down, maintain a safe distance, and always check your blind spots.
I expect my students, when they're driving, to be scanning and just looking way up the road as far as they can see, but their eyes should be all over the place.
I'm here at Driven2Drive, and I just want to give you one important tip. So the tip is easy, just take your time. In due time, everything is going to come to you with driving as you keep practicing and stay focused. And that's pretty much it. Don't rush anything.
And I always let the student know, if I ever have to hit my brake because a car pulling out of a side street and they don't hit their brake at the same time, then they're not seeing what they're supposed to be seeing.
I teach the stick shift driving lessons, and if I had one tip for stick shift driving, I would tell you to be patient and trust yourself. Don't give up on it and keep trying.
One of my biggest tips is, and one of the more important things about driving, is you got to be a defensive driver. It's going to cut down on your chances of getting into an accident.